Installing and programming your Pro Series 3001 2-dial tap timer can be done with these easy steps. Start by installing the battery. Remove the cover, insert a 9-volt alkaline battery and then replace the battery cover. To program the 3001 tap timer, start by turning the left dial to select the watering run time. You can select from 2 minutes up to 4 hours. Turn the right dial to select the watering interval. It can be set from every 6 hours to every 7 days. Finally, press the Enter button. The LED light will go solid for 3 seconds. Watering will then start after the selected interval. The red LED will now either flash every 30 seconds to show that it is all running correctly, or flash every second to show the battery needs changing. The 3001 tap timer also comes with manual watering options. For manual start and auto stop, set the left dial to the desired run time and the right dial to manual. Press the Enter button to begin watering. Any programs previously entered will continue to run as usual. To stop the tap timer watering, turn the left dial to off. No watering will happen with the dial in this position. To recommence watering, turn the left dial to any other position. Previous programs will resume. To select a different program, you must first clear the memory. Do this by removing the battery for at least 5 minutes. For more information on the Pro 3001 2-dial tap timer, visit our website at holmanindustries.com.au.